Hello everyone. The question here is we need to find out the structure of the compound whose IUPAC name is 3-ethyl 2-hydroxy 4-methyl hex 3-ene 5-ionoic acid. So we have 4 options here. So we will go one by one. Okay. So we will first try to find out the IUPAC name for this. So let us start numbering. Start numbering from the carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the longest chain. And by the way, the structure should have actually be written as like this. Actually, it should have been written like a straight line, not as a bend one, because the hybridization here is sp. Okay, just a minor comment on the question paper. Okay, it should have been written like this, but just to confuse you further, they have just bend the structure. But anyway, so we will find out the IUPAC name for this. So this is actually the IUPAC name for this is 3-ethynyl. You can either mention it as 1-inyl or directly ethynyl. Okay, we have a 3-ethynyl group. Remember, we have an hydroxy, ethynyl and methyl in alphabetical order. Ethynyl comes first and then 2-hydroxy and then 4-methyl and then hex 5-enoic acid. But what we need to find out is 5-ionoic acid. So this is not the correct option for this. Let us find out the IUPAC name for the second structure. Let us do the numbering first, starting from carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us do the naming. We have a 3-ethynyl. We have a ethynyl group at third position. Previously we had ethynyl. Now we have ethynyl because there is a double bond. And then 3-hydroxy. We have an hydroxy group at position 3, and then 4-methyl and then hex because we have 6 carbons and then 5-ionoic acid. This is the correct IUPAC name for this structure, but this is not what we wanted. So let's go to the third one. Let's do the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the name for this is, we have a ethyl group at third position, 3-ethyl and then 2-hydroxy. Remember, between carboxylic acid gets the top priority and the OH group becomes the substituent. Okay, carboxylic acid gets the top priority. So therefore the secondary suffix has to end with the oic acid. So 3-ethyl, 2-hydroxy, 4-methyl and then hex 3-ene because we have a double bond at third position and then 5-ionoic acid. So this is the correct structure. Now let us find out the IUPAC name for the fourth one also. The fourth one is, once again we are having ethynyl group at third position. Let's do the numbering first. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a ethynyl group, just like structure 2, ethynyl, and then 4 hydroxy, and then 3 methyl hex, 5 ionoic acid. So this is not what we wanted. So the correct option is this one. So this is the correct answer.